Oh, good morning again. Today's adventure in paint pouring is a canvas reclamation. This was one that I did, I don't know, a while back, and I kept looking at it, and I didn't like it. So I thought, okay, let's either make it better or make it disappear. So I am going to try a flip and drag with some color combination I have not really used before. And the technique is, maybe I've done it once, I'm not sure. But we're going to do it today for sure. And I just put some white on here. Not very carefully, because I'm going to flip these and drag them. And whatever kind of trouble we will end up in trouble together. So let's start with the middle one and give it a quickie right about there. You know how fast I am with the okay, enough dallying. Let's try this one here, and let's try this. Oh shoot, movies. Okay, that was a terrible one. Okay, now you tip it and drag it. Remember? Quickly. Oh, that's not quick enough, Richard. Well, like I said, this is a first. And as a first, there's a first for everything, right? Okay, so I'm believing I need, well, here, let's see some bubbles. So, dang, I think I'm almost out of butane again. I must have a butane fairy that comes in my room at night and just sucks me dry out of butane. Interesting. Okay, here we go. Let's do a little tipping, because that's what this is all about. Let's bring it back. Okay, how about to this side and down? Ooh, come on back, Jack. Gee, it's too bad I left this half the cup dam over there on the floor. Well, it has potential, it looks like. It's going to be a quickie. Whoa! Okay, let's come back over this way. Okay, now back down. I want to make sure that we get the white disappeared. All right, let's see what we have here. I'm bringing it back towards the center a wee bit. Ooh, this is kind of interestingly fun. Will you quit saying that? Okay, what do you do? Ooh. Ooh, what? Ooh, goobers. I don't believe I have enough there. This looks good, that looks good. Let me look at the front. Need to come a little bit this way. No, I don't. I kind of liked it the way it was. Maybe I better quit dinking with it. Okay, the middle is sliding. But the let me come around and look at the front overhang. Oh, yeah, that's what I was afraid of. I'll just pick up some of this that I spilled and just cover that. Oh, well, this from my first one here, I guess that isn't that bad. Okay, what's that right there? Well, what does it look like? It looks like white paint. Okay, I have a little bit of canvas showing right there, which I just eliminated. one thing about all these crazy colors is you can finger paint. Nobody's going to know the difference. Okay, let's clean the bottom off. Clean the bottom off. Clean this off. Clean that off. Look at that, boys and girls. That's kind of pretty. It's kind of pretty. And we're going to say, I think I'll take my gloves off. I pat myself on the back, but I get paint all over me. Okay. Well, that was a fasto. Okay, let's see how much butane I don't have. Well, there's some bubbles popping. Look at little tiny guys. Well, I'm glad I mixed up. I thought I mixed up too much paint, but I need to remind myself when I'm flipping cups, there's no such thing as too much paint for me. I really need to practice that. Maybe I should practice with some water. Okay. We're out of butane, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, this is, well, I don't even think I need to get my number 2 pencil out. I don't need mini blower. Wow, this was a nice canvas reclamation project. I'm keeping it. And those are different colors for me, and I've always liked grays and yellow, and the peach and the apricot colors were Arteza pearl colors, and I have gray and silver metallic and a touch of Payne's gray, and I used a little bit of Amsterdam white. So those are the colors I used, and this was the quickest video for me, I think. I'm not even going to fiddle with it. We're calling this a finished pour. So this is Richard B. saying thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now. Alrighty, here's the finished product, and I'm just going to pull out a little bit and come over. I had so much fun, I even did a matching coaster with the same colors, and yeah, they go together. How fun is that? I'll come in a little closer and you can see some of the paint interaction. I got some caterpillars going there, which I kind of like, and the grays and the mauve colors, a little yellow. Anyway, I'll pull it out here, and I think we're going to call that a good pour. So this is Richard B. again saying thanks for watching, and I hope you like this one as much as I do. And not everyone can be a winner, but this was a successful do-over, and it's worth keeping. So this is Richard B. saying thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.